supportive parents, real schoolmates, visitors, a blissful moment. The fact that I'm one of the pupils here gives me some talks with you. We assemble here to witness the recognition of the pupils who have done goodness and perseverance in their studies. We consider this a grand day because it's the time to reap the fruits of our diligence and labor, and we will continuously improve ourselves as we go on with our quest for knowledge and wisdom. In behalf of the mentors of the Allen Central Elementary School, I am expressing of our pleasant greetings and heartfelt appreciation for your presence today, to witness, to share with you the joy, recognition, and blessing, such as very simple and memorable Recognition Day. It is indeed my pleasure to
Sige na, continue. Good. Thank you. Siguro, thank you.
greet you
Thank you. Thank you.
one and all.